Alright, so I just arrived back from Louisville, Cavern. I know I had this waiting. Been waiting a long time. Finally got myself a new frame. It's the FELT Compulsion. And it's gonna be a bike build video. And for those of you who don't know, I am a bike mechanic. I work at my local bike shop. I gotta get this done within an hour.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good. It's quite pungent. Oh yeah. It stings the nostrils. In a good way. Yeah. How'd you get it? Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline.
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Alright, so I finally finished. I didn't get the last couple touches. I will need new housing for the cable because, as you can see, this little thing I did here, yeah, it's not the best. I should have a continuous piece of housing all the way throughout the whole frame. But this works for now, but I'll have a full piece within a week or so. But I did not have a seat post, so I will have to get a new seat post. I thought my friend did, but it's a millimeter too big. Sorry about that. The garbage truck is there. But yeah, it looks pretty sweet. So I have 140 mil in the front of travel, and I believe it's 160 in this back. I'm guessing 160 because the 160 is highlighted instead of the 150. Yeah. Pretty sweet. Ride's amazing.